Alright everyone, in today's video I want to show you another way to unlock your screen pattern or PIN if you've forgotten it and can't remember anymore. Keep in mind that this procedure will erase everything stored on your phone's memory, so it's a good idea to remove your SIM card and memory card as well. So what are you going to do? On some models, you'll also need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any programs, files or anything like that. So try it both with and without the cable, and whichever way works for you, leave a comment to help others out. You're gonna press the volume down button and the power button at the same time. When it restarts, release the volume down button and press the volume up button. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button but keep holding the volume up button. Release the volume down, press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'm repeating it here, but just do exactly as you're seeing in the video. Let's wait a few seconds. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. Leave your like. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments, alright? Let's wait here a few seconds until it enters recovery mode. There was no need to connect the cable. I'd like to remind you that this procedure also works for other Samsung models. If you need to unlock a Google account, our number is in the description. Once you reach this screen, go down by pressing the volume down button until the fifth option where it says Wipe Data, Factory Reset and Confirm with the power button. On this next screen, go down with the volume down button and confirm with the power button. Let's wait for this process to finish so we can continue with the unlocking. Let's wait just a little bit longer. When you get to this screen, just confirm guys. And now your device is being unlocked and formatted. It will come back without that stubborn screen password. If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel. Our Pix is in the video description, no matter the amount. What matters is your help, your support. That was today's video. Thanks, take care,